Assalamualaikum friends, I'm Sajid Usama Warraich. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a bell icon for your YouTube channel. You just have to edit this PPT which I will share with you in description. First of all, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Now open this PPT file and start editing which is shared in description. Scroll down. Here you can write the name of your channel. I'm going to make a bell icon of a channel, YouTube channel. Take out. You can change the color of text or the size of text, whatever you want. Increase the size of text. Now insert the logo of your channel here by clicking this picture and go to this bucket and click the insert. Go to from a file and select the logo from desktop or wherever you have saved your logo. Now you can also change the background of the bell icon into a white color or black, blue, whatever you want. By clicking the background, a bucket will open where you will go and change the color of the background, and the bell icon is completed, and go to the files and exports and then export it into a video in the 1080p resolution or 720p, whatever you want to save it, in which format you want to save it. I'm going to save it in on the desktop. Now you need a video editor. I'm using Camtasia 9. First of all, I will show you the video which is exported. Camtasia Studio 9 or any editing software to make the bell icon transparent. Add the media. First of all, take another video and then take the subscribe slide or the slide bell icon you have made. You have to add the visual effects. Add visual effects on the bell icon video. Now I'm going to add the visual effects on the bell icon, and from there select a remove color. Effect is added, and then a pop-up window open here with the name remove a color. From here select the 70% tolerance. By this the bell icon will be transparent and looking good. This is very easy to make a bell icon. You just have to edit this to PPT. Now I'm going to add another video to show you that this bell icon is transparent and so much beautiful.